One of our awardees for today is Ms. Roslyn M. Nailan, our Division Manager for Finance and IT. Our second awardee for today is Mr. Raymond E. Nieves, our General Foreman for Technical Services Department. She was always around. I got a daughter, I wanna come to her. I was looking away, but I'm here again. For the Inspiration Fathers, our third awardee is Marianne M. Nevarga. However, she will not make it today.
Thank you so much, Sir Teofilo, and congratulations to the two awardees. Now, for the Philex Best, to introduce them, I call on Engineer Maria Aurora S. Dolipas, Safety Department Manager.
Our President and Chief Executive Officer, Sir Yules Austin Jr., our Vice President for Operations and Resident Manager, Sir Rick Dolipas II, our Parish Priest, Father Mario Tambig, our distinguished guests from the local government units, starting from the President, from the Office of the Congressman, the Governor, the Mayors of Tuba and Itogon, the members of the Board of the Province of Benguet. Good morning po. I am proud to present our deserving Philex employees who excelled in their fields, especially in adherence to safety rules. Our 6 Philex Bests for the fiscal year July 1, 2023 to June 30, 2024. So please allow me to read the text of the certificate. Philex Mining Corporation awards the Certificate of Recognition to the awardee of the particular department in recognition of his noteworthy performance and outstanding safety record for fiscal year 2023 to 2024, given this 19th day of January 2025 at Philex Mining Corporation, Patcal, Tuba, Benguet, during the celebration of the 64th Annual Patron's Feast of the Santo Niño de Prague, signed by the Vice President for Operations, Ricardo S. Dolipas II. With this, may I request again Sir Yules and Sir Rick to please award the Certificate of Recognition and the cash incentives to our awardees. Awardees, when I please move to this side already so that when I call you, mabilis po tayo. Our best surface miner was born on February 16, 1990 in Baguio City. He is 34 years old and has been with Philex for 11 years. He is married to Miss Maricel Manalastas and they have 2 beautiful daughters aged 6 and 2. His working days for the fiscal year was 294 days, free of accident and with no safety violation. Ladies and gentlemen, our best surface miner is no other than Lester Marquez, Chapa 19617 of Tailing Storage Facility Department. Our best underground miner was born on July 27, 1967 in Mangaldan, Pangasinan. He is married to Miss Josie Vidal with 3 sons and 5 daughters. He was hired in Philex on November 1987 and has been serving Philex Patcal for 37 years. His accumulated work days for the fiscal year is 337 days with 0 accidents and 0 safety violations. Ladies and gentlemen, let's congratulate our best underground miner, Jaime Erfelo, Chapa 13756 of Mine Production. 337, sir. Mas city rest data, sir. Our best underground safety inspector was born on October 18, 1979 in Tuba, Benguet. He's 45 years old and finished BS Secondary Education at St. Louis University. He is happily married to Miss Loribel Lanutan and they were blessed with 2 daughters and 2 sons. He is a registered permanent safety inspector with the Mines and Geosciences Bureau, and he has dedicatedly discharged his duties and responsibilities as a safety practitioner and worked for 301 days accident-free and likewise with 0 lost-time accidents among his fellow workers within the shift. He strongly believes that teamwork is not just working together, it is done with respect, trust, care, and understanding towards a goal. Let's give a big round of applause to our best underground safety inspector, Brent Balasio, Chapa 17440 of the Safety and Risk Management Department. Our best surface safety inspector was born on December 14, 1965 in San Juan, La Union. He's 59 years old and has 37 years of service and experience with Philex Patcal. Our best surface safety inspector is a registered permanent safety inspector at Mines and Geosciences Bureau. For the fiscal year 2023 to 2024, he worked for 298 days without any safety violations and 0 lost-time accident among his fellow workers in the shift. For him, nothing is impossible because the word impossible itself says, I'm possible. Let's give a big round of applause to our best surface safety inspector, no other than Jessie Espacio, Chapa 13714 of the Safety and Risk Management Department. Our best surface supervisor hails from Bawang, La Union. Born on August 2, 1966, he's 58 years old and has rendered so far 32 years of service with Philex Patcal. He's married to Ma'am Luz Viminda and they have 2 sons and 2 daughters. He has worked 275 days for the fiscal year with no safety violations and accidents. Let's give a warm round of applause to our best surface supervisor, Richard Sani Abuan, Chapa 14236 of the mill operations. For the last but not the least awardee, our best underground supervisor, he was born on July 13, 1977 here at Philex, tunay na batang Philex. He is 47 years old, married to Miss Deborah, and they are blessed with a son and a daughter. He was hired on October 2003 and has been with the company for 21 years. He has recorded 299 days worked for the fiscal year with no safety violations and no accidents. Ladies and gentlemen, our best underground supervisor, Julius Balonglong, Chapa 17161 of Mine Production. Thank you very much po, Sir Yules and Sir Rick. Once again, congratulations to all the awardees. Thank you to your families, the wife and the children, or the husband and the children in the case of Ma'am Roslyn, because your love, understanding, and support allow the awardees to be in a positive frame of mind when they report to work. Because of that, they can plan the work better, observe their surroundings better, and serve their respective teams better, benefiting the company in the long run. God bless the families and the workers. God bless Philex.